Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw fan fries, so let's get started. First, draw a line down, to the right, and a line up. Now, following with me, a curve here, draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle, and another smaller circle, a curve inside, here too. Draw the lines, and the mouth. Now just following with me, slowly. Now we have cute fan fries. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.